if ChatGPT's image editing gets stuck or can't generate an image, don't worry, here's how you can fix it using your any iPhone with the latest iOS. First, make sure you are properly logged in with your Gmail or ChatGPT account to use the image editing feature. If you're not logged in, it simply won't work, so double check your login status. And please try to follow the content policy while give you the command. If you're already signed in and it's still not working, next try using a different Gmail account. Sometimes your current account may have a temporary glitch and switching account can solve it. So sign out and log in with another Gmail account. Then check if you have hit your image limit. Usually, free users can generate only 3 images per day. If you have reached that limit, you need to wait until it resets. But if you are a ChatGPT Plus user, you can generate up to 50 images every 3 hours. And additionally, if you're using an iPhone 15 or 16 series phone, check for unlimited image access. For that, you have to go to Settings, go to Apple Intelligence and Siri option, scroll down to Extensions, and go for ChatGPT, then hit on Use ChatGPT to set up. This can unlock unlimited image generation directly from your iPhone. Once it's working, then you have to give clear instructions, because the clearer your prompt, the better the result. If nothing else is working, uninstall the ChatGPT app from your device, then reinstall it fresh from the App Store and sign in again. Finally, be patient and avoid using other apps while it's generating. That's it. You should be able to get your ChatGPT image editing working again. I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.